Hi everybody, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm sorry this video is a little later in the day. I've been working on stitch markers all afternoon. It's just getting to be evening right now. The sun is setting and I was outside doing some videos and some pictures. They were turning out so cute of the stitch markers that I have been working on for the past few days. So I will attach some footage of that. It was a really nice day here today, close to 70 degrees. It's like probably the last nice day until next year, until next spring. So we've been outside all day today, taking advantage of that. The girls were having fun in the hose and in the mud. Maybe I'll attach a little video of that too at the end. So that's what I've been up to, just doing stitch markers and loving it, and I'll show you what I've been up to. It is so windy. Oh my goodness, it is so windy. Here are the stitch markers. Now this isn't even all of them that I made. 2 of the 3 girls say there are 63, so I'm gonna go with that because I lost count. But oh, it was just so fun. I'm sorry the lighting is not the best because it's getting late, but I just love making stitch markers. It's stitch marker week, I guess. Look at the Chip and Dale. Oh my goodness. Too cute. So, this is mostly what I've been working on, and I will show you the other ones that I did also. Here are the other ones I was working on last night. More strawberries. These strawberries have the lever back instead of the lobster claw. Sorry the lighting is not the best. Then we've got some cats. Cats. We love cats in this house, and a couple of butterflies.
We need more water in the mud thing.
Oh yeah!
As weird as it sounds. Oh, you're gonna get it all dirty. Your new white thing's all dirty. I'm not getting it overboard.
Actually, I want to try that. I'm a white horse, and it washed off pretty well on me.
Why were we afraid before?
I don't know.
Oh, the watery stuff is perfect.
Wow. I think that'll be my new name, Cake, because my head is caked in dirt. Nice.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for coming by to see what I've been up to. Probably tomorrow will be some more stitch markers. Who knows? I hope to get some of these in my eBay shop thingy. Maybe even put some on Facebook, or I don't know. I'm just having a lot of fun making the stitch markers right now. So that's what I've been concentrating on. Yeah, we'll be seeing you tomorrow. Hope you have a good night. Bye. Oh yes, the power of the strawberry.